Vietnam is a country that is well known for its diverse and flavorful cuisine. Vietnamese cuisine is a mixture of Chinese, French, and Southeast Asian culinary traditions, which creates a unique and delicious combination of flavors. If you are a food lover, then exploring the Vietnamese food scene is definitely something that you should not miss. In this essay, I will be discussing the various aspects of Vietnamese cuisine and how it is an essential part of the country's culture. One of the most significant aspects of Vietnamese cuisine is its emphasis on freshness and balance. Vietnamese food is characterized by its use of herbs, spices, and fresh ingredients. The country's tropical climate makes it easy to grow a wide variety of herbs and vegetables, which are used in almost every dish. The use of fresh ingredients not only makes the food taste better but also has several health benefits. One of the most famous Vietnamese dishes is pho, a noodle soup that originated in northern Vietnam. It is made with rice noodles, beef or chicken broth, and various herbs and spices. It is a perfect example of the Vietnamese emphasis on balance and freshness. Pho is usually served with a plate of fresh herbs, including basil, cilantro, and bean sprouts, which are added to the soup to enhance the flavor. Another famous Vietnamese dish is banh mi, a sandwich that was created during the French colonial period. Banh mi is made with a French baguette, which is filled with a variety of ingredients, including grilled meat, pickled vegetables, and pâté. Banh mi is an excellent example of how Vietnamese cuisine has been influenced by different cultures. Vietnam also has a rich street food culture. Some of the most popular street food items include bánh xèo, a crispy pancake filled with shrimp, pork, and bean sprouts, and nem nuong, grilled pork meatballs served with rice noodles and vegetables. Street food is an integral part of Vietnamese cuisine and is often the most authentic way to experience the local food scene. Vietnamese cuisine is also famous for its use of sauces and condiments. One of the most famous is nuoc cham, a dipping sauce made with fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, and chili peppers. Nuoc cham is served with many Vietnamese dishes, including grilled meats and spring rolls. Another popular condiment is hoisin sauce, a sweet and savory sauce made with soybeans, sugar, and spices. Vietnamese cuisine is not just about the food, it is also about the culture and the people. Food is an essential part of Vietnamese culture and is often used to bring people together. Family and friends often gather around the table to share a meal and catch up on each other's lives. Food is also an essential part of Vietnamese celebrations, including Tet, the Vietnamese Lunar New Year. In conclusion, exploring Vietnamese cuisine is a must for any food lover. Vietnamese cuisine is a unique blend of different culinary traditions that creates a delicious and flavorful experience. From the emphasis on freshness and balance to the rich street food culture and the use of sauces and condiments, Vietnamese cuisine is an essential part of the country's culture. From the emphasis on freshness and balance to the rich street food culture and the use of sauces and condiments, Vietnamese cuisine is an essential part of the country's culture.